Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Daily Goodie Box. If you're not familiar with this company, it's free to join. You set up a profile, and if you're chosen, you get a box of goodies. They also give out boxes on their social media site, so I will have all that information below. And on the inside there's a card. It says, enjoy the free samples and full-size products. Just remember to review them on your account. And let's see what came. Ooh. Jackpot sea salt popcorn. I love popcorn, so I'm sure that's delicious. I love getting food in subscription boxes and other little boxes that I get. And here's another food item. Jessica's gluten-free vanilla maple granola. That sounds really good. No trans fat, no cholesterol, non-GMO, all that good stuff. Ooh, I have had these before. Home cooked salted Virginia peanuts from Hubs. Those are really good. And we have a drink. Awesome. Sparkling caffeine plus water. Mandarin passion fruit. Huh. 90 calories. There's no sugar in it. Or sodium. Actually, no calories. What did I see? 90. Oh, 90 grams of caffeine. Not 90 calories. There are no calories in here. So very excited for that. I drink a lot of sparkling water, so that's cool. Also have, oh wow, we can really use this in our household. Jackson has a lot of skin problems, and he gets eczema, so he has his really terrible skin conditions, courtesy of me. Let's see, for daily use, protects skin from irritation and itching, relieves dry skin, has that oatmeal in it that's supposed to be good for eczema. Very cool. Definitely, I could use this too. My skin's really dry and itchy currently. The weather around here cannot make up its mind. So that is a very large size of that. Can't wait to try that. Also have 5 ingredients or less. Ooh, coconut lime. Guess this is just lip balm. I'll go ahead and open it. So that is awesome, and it smells really good. I love lime. And looks like probably the last product in here is a sample of organic laundry detergent, and it's lavender scented. I have never heard of that. Go by Greenshield Organics. Definitely use that. And then typically there are, oh, there's actually a sample in here. I was about to say, typically there's little advertisements, sometimes coupons in here. So there's one for peanuts from Hubs, and then this says GLEEN electronic cleaning cloth, sample enclosed. So let's go ahead and open that. There's a coupon, little introduction, and then a sample of a cleaning cloth. Very cool. So this says it'll clean windows, mirrors, stainless steel, and many other solid surfaces, streakless with just a little bit of water. Very nice. And looks like you could buy it on Amazon too, but they do have a website. So that is what I got in my Daily Goodie Box. If you guys would like to join and sign up, I'll have all the information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.